Good morning. Day 29, final day of the section hike. 6 miles to Irwin and Uncle Johnny's, and then figuring out the logistics of getting to Tri-Cities Airport tomorrow and whether to check my backpack or carry it on and figure out what to do with the trekking poles, all that jazz. I'm excited to be done. So yeah, let's go hiking. Last uphill of the trip for me. That's not too bad. I just hit the absolute last climb, I think, for this trip. There weren't a lot of climbs today, but a couple of them were pretty steep, and I'm tired because I hiked 20 miles yesterday, according to my Relive app. 18.3, just the AT alone. So, my longest day on trail, and yeah, 2.5 miles to Uncle Johnny's. Hello, Irwin. See you soon. Free Bibles. I think this is really interesting, but it is in an odd place, a little bit hard to reach, and I hope people actually take them, but I don't know. Made it. All right, that's Uncle Johnny's right there. So this will be where I get back on next time. They let you tent at Uncle Johnny's for $15, which works out perfectly because I'm out of here tomorrow. They also have a hammock area. You're basically allowed to tent anywhere on the lawn. And then there's a bathhouse and a laundry, and it's all inclusive. You don't have to pay extra, which is really nice because a lot of hostels make you pay extra for laundry. And then they also have cabins that you can set up in if you want. It's very nice. And they have a shuttle that goes to town at 5 p.m. and picks you up at 7 p.m. I will be doing that. Right, okay. That's it for day 29. It was a short one. This is the official end of my lash. I hiked 275.5 miles in 29 days. I had over 70,000 feet of elevation gain and something like 68,000 feet of elevation loss in 29 days. It is the hardest hiking I have ever done, and I would do it again. Although this past Monday, I would have been hard pressed to do it again, but yep. Anyway, stay tuned because there will be some, at least 1 or 2 or possibly 3 more videos following this one to talk about statistics and finances and things that worked and didn't work, lessons, you know, those kinds of videos. And yeah, thanks for coming along on the adventure, and I will see you again next time.